Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you choose time for reminders on your Babbel app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just go up here, you click here in this sign here in app. So and you come to next step here. So when you click here on app here, so we will go back. So just click here in app here, then it's going to check here in this list, and all you have to do now, just go up, you click here in the sign settings here in app. So then it's going to check here in this list, then you just click here on settings here. So then you come to next step, then all you have to do now, so you just go down here and you click here on reminders here. So then you come to next step here, then all you have to do, so you just come here to choose time. So you just here choose times you want to add. So can you click on it here, and here can you choose time you want to add, and you click here on OK. Then you click here on this sign here, then it's going to add video here, and you click here on confirm reminders, then it's going to add video. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.